India showcases maritime muscle like never before. As the world watches off the coast of Visakhapatnam, the International Fleet Review 2026, led by India, took place.
We are witnessing the might of India's Navy in the complex operations at sea right now, with the International Fleet Review in progress, where the President is reviewing more than 70 ships across the world. And this is how India's Navy is not only enhancing its combat capabilities, but also taking the ties with the best navies of the world ahead. This is the lineup during the International Fleet Review of these ships. And when we talk about the capabilities, there are ships from the Indian Navy, around 20 ships, 20 submarines, the fighters, the helicopters, and we also see the ships from the friendly foreign nations. This is the lineup. There are 6 columns where the International Fleet Review is being done by the Indian Navy. This is happening after 10 years, so this is very important and prestigious.
Navies of 70 countries, 71 warships, the largest ever naval gathering in these waters.
Along with the sea operations, we also see the air operations by the Indian Navy, the Kamov helicopters, the Sea Kings, the different aerial assets of the Indian Navy are also displaying their might out here. These are the helicopters that are being used by the Indian Navy for different operations, the complex drills at sea, be it the humanitarian operations or the surveillance or any complex operation that takes place in the sea. So this is how we see during the International Fleet Review the skill in the air of the Indian Navy. This is the Dornier aircraft of the Indian Navy that is being operated by Indian Navy since several decades now. They have been operational at multiple locations. They have been operational at multiple operations and complex missions. So this is the Dornier aircraft. So we've seen that apart from the ship, the warfare in the skies is also spectacular during the International Fleet Review.
And towering over it all, India's pride, INS Vikrant, battle ready, on alert. The world's fleet's coverage, and tomorrow the action deepens.
I'm really impressed about the hospitality, the sharp look of the Indian Navy, and the opportunities that we have to interact with the Indian Navy and one of the 73 delegates. So I see this as an opportunity, a day of joy, and a day of coordination with the Indian Navy.
Milan 2026 begins. Harbour interactions, strategic seminars, joint drills at sea. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will be chief guest. The CDS and 3 service chiefs will attend.
This could be considered as the biggest maritime gathering. The participation which is taking place as part of a larger scope of activities which start with this International Fleet Review today. We'll have the opening Milan ceremony, opening ceremony on 19th, and also the Indian Ocean Naval Symposium Conclave of Chiefs. 72 delegations from 72 countries are participating. There are 2 international constructs, which makes it 74. So in that form, it is the largest so far.
From anti-piracy missions to freedom of navigation, from diplomacy to deterrence, India's maritime rise is truly global. With Shivani Sharma in Visakhapatnam, Bureau Report, India Today.